Hello, what's up, viewers? We are back with another topic, with the best topic. So, too many people are searching for this topic. Too many people are facing the problem. So, we are here talking about how to create a business Gmail. So, so here are the best way to create a business Gmail. How to set up Gmail for a business email in 4 simple steps. So you need to follow this step. Step 1 is create a Google Workspace account. Visit Google Workspace landing page and click on the start free trial button. This takes to the page asking for the business name, number and employees and the reason or country where the business is based. Fill out this information and click next. On the following page, add your name, email address and business phone number, then click next. This is the first step. Like here is I'm swiping this, then get start, then contact, then this fill up, then this okay. Second is connect to your domain or buy a domain name. I have already made a video for the best and cheapest domain provider, so you can watch that video, so you can connect with the your business suite. So number 2 topic is connect your domain or buy a new domain. Once you have provided your contract information, you can connect your domain name, and domain is a word come from after www in web address aka URL, and after the @ sign of your email address. For example, the domain name of the site is fitsmallbusiness.com. For the more detail, read our article explaining the domain name is in you have to get one. So if you need a domain, you can watch my previous video, so you can know how to how to use domain you already own. If you have already domain, you can also use to the business Gmail. If you have an existing domain, click on yes, I have a one I can use. Enter your domain name, example yourbusiness.com, and click next. So here is the already how to get domain name to use with Gmail. There is a simple way. If you have a domain name, click no. If you don't have a domain name, click no. I need one. Search domain name to see if domain name you want is available. If it is available, you can use to register from your Gmail business email. If you not, you can enter another preferred domain name. Choose from your alternatives that Google will generate for you. If you want to get a new domain name but you don't want to get one from Google, check out the trusted domain name registrar alternative. This is also they are also training a trusted domain provider. I have already told you guys, so check out that video. Third is create a Gmail business email username. So how can we create a username and password to use your Gmail business email? Your username is what comes before the @ sign and your domain name. Example Jane and @zanzala.com, do@zanzala.com, zen.do@zanzala.com. This is the example. Then agree and continue. Using same username format consistently throughout your organization keeps your company's email address consistent and easy to organize. Remember, get more guidance on the how to choose the best username format in our article. So fourth topic is input payment info and complete account. So here are the things. Google provides a 14-day free trial, so you won't be billed during this period, but you still need to add payment information to test the product. The plan is set to the business standard by default, but you can choose the downgrade, upgrade the next plan with free trial. Click next and complete the checkout process to using Gmail for business email. Here are the price. Monthly class $6, business standard $2, and per user storage 30 GB and 2 GB. If you are buying a business starter, it will cost $6 per month, but there is a storage is less storage, not enough storage, only 30 GB. If you are buying a $12 per month business standard, they are giving 2 TB storage to you. So Google Meet video conference 25 how are you doing, increase 150 participation. This is the benefits of or your business email like this. This is the simple trick how to create a Gmail for business email in 4 simple steps. Okay, this is all are the things. So here are how to create new business email account for your team, how to create a free business email address in 5 minutes. There are many things. So we are here. If you need a detailed information about this, so you can visit this site and you can read the all articles in patience and chill mind. Okay, brothers and sisters and friends, so here are the all things we have to talk about this the business email in this video. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. If you don't understand anything in the video, please comment in comment section. So we are done for now. We will meet you again in the next video.